Discover this extraordinary 122-acre Virginia estate featuring a stunning custom home with spectacular views, charming barns, a riding arena, and miles of scenic trails set within rolling countryside. Perfectly positioned in the heart of the Piedmont region, this property blends rustic elegance with refined craftsmanship and exceptional equestrian amenities. post and beam timber structure forms the heart of the home, showcasing hand-hewn beams and grand living spaces. This is complemented by additional levels that provide private bedroom suites and flexible living areas, all connected through a thoughtfully designed layout. Inside, the attention to detail is evident throughout, from locally milled oak flooring and limestone accents to wool carpeting and custom millwork. Every finish reflects quality and craftsmanship. The kitchen features elegant soapstone countertops, while varied ceiling styles, including vaulted beams and a coffered dining ceiling, add architectural depth and character. Equestrian facilities make this property truly exceptional. 2 charming barns, multiple run-in stalls with paddocks, and a professionally designed riding arena create an ideal setup for horse enthusiasts. Miles of maintained trails wind through the property, offering endless opportunities for riding and exploring. The land itself is a perfect balance of open pasture and wooded areas, enhanced by rolling hills and natural water features. Its southern exposure and scenic setting create a park-like environment that is both functional and beautiful. Located just minutes from Middleburg and Upperville, with convenient access to major routes, this estate offers unmatched privacy without sacrificing accessibility. Combining elegant living, equestrian excellence, and breathtaking surroundings, this Virginia property is truly one of a kind.